Okay guys, click Shift A and add UV sphere, then on left corner there will be menu in that change segments to 10. After go to edit mode and select the top center vertex of UV sphere and press X and delete it, then scale the sphere wider in front view and side view by pressing S. Then select the top vertices of sphere, then go to front view and press E to extrude and make shape of stem I am making. Then add subdivision surface modifier, make both level to 2. After select the last vertices of stem and press G key and then press Z key and move it on down Z axis. Then select the bottom center vertex of sphere and move it to up in Z axis. Then add loop cut for making even faces. This will give us smooth shading and more geometry to work. Then on stem also add loop cut. After select the second last vertices of pumpkin stem and scale it by clicking S, then by rotating adjust the shape. Then select the knife tool and go to bottom of pumpkin and add vertex and circle form, then press enter. This will release the stretching. After again select the second last vertices of stem and press Alt S on keyboard to scale and make shape I am making and adjust by rotation. Then select the edges that I am selecting. Don't select upper edge of stem. After selecting, press Alt S and give the shape I am giving. Then go to object mode and right click and select shade smooth. Then start selecting edges I am selecting. Then press Alt S and give the shape of pumpkin body. Okay guys, our pumpkin is ready to serve on dinner table.
Style. Style is the answer to everything.